Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve some more questions which are based on area of parallelogram. In the last video I gave you the basic introduction and the basic problem which are based on area of parallelogram. Today the question that I am going to teach you which are having the good level and they have the most probability to come in the examination. That is why I suggest to all students do more and more practice such question that I will teach you shortly. First of all, let's see a basic question. The question is PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram of area 120 centimeters square. If PS is equal to 10 centimeter and PQ is 15 centimeter and PQ is 15 centimeter, then find the measure of SM and PM. SM and PM. Okay, students. So this is the given question, and now let us see what this question want to say. PQRS is a parallelogram. So first of all, draw a parallelogram PQRS. This is a parallelogram PQRS. Okay. This parallelogram has the area 120 centimeter. Now here given PQ is equal to 15 centimeter. That is the base. PQ is 15 centimeter. PS is 10 centimeter. This value is given as 10 centimeter. Okay. Then we have to find the value of SM. What is the M? M is the point on which we have to draw the perpendicular from the point P. This is M. Okay. And here we have to find the value of PM and SM. So we know that the area of parallelogram is product of base and corresponding height. Okay, so in order to find the value, here we write area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now here put the value. The parallel area of parallelogram is given, that is 120 centimeter square. Therefore, we write 120 is equal to B. B is the base, which is 15 centimeter. So here we multiply 15 by H. Okay. What is H? H is the corresponding height. That is the value of PM. Therefore, we write X is equal to 120 upon 15. 15 on the 15 and 15 8 ja 120. Therefore, the value of PM is 8 centimeter. That is the corresponding height, 8 centimeter. Okay. Now let's find out the value of SM. We shall find the value of SM using the Pythagorean triplet, because in the right angle triangle SPM, PS is the hypotenuse, PM is the height, that is the altitude, and SM is the base. Here the height and the hypotenuse is given, are known, and we have to find the unknown, that is the SM. Therefore we write, here we write, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras triplet, we get, by Pythagoras triplet, here we get PS square is equal to PM square and plus SM square. The value of PM is 10, so we write 10 square, which is equal to 8 square and plus SM square. 10 tangent 100 minus 64, which is equal to SM square. Or SM square will equal to 100 minus 64, that is 36, which give SM is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the value of SM is 6 centimeter. So, in this way, we found the value as given in the question. Okay, student? So, now let's understand this question once again. What does question say? Question is given here. PQRS is a parallelogram of area 120 centimeter square. If PS is 10 centimeter and PQ is 15 centimeter, then find the measure of SM and PM. Okay. So first we shall find out the value of PM. In order to find the value of PM, here we know that the area of parallelogram is equal to height into base. So area is given, base is given, height has to be asked. So when we solve it, we get h is equal to h 8 centimeter, which is the height of the parallelogram. The next, we have to find the value of SM. Since in the figure we can see that SPM be a right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, we again get the value of SM, which is equal to 6 centimeter square. Okay. Now let us see the next question. The next question is, PQRS is a parallelogram with altitude PM and base SR. And base SR. Sn is the altitude, Sn is the altitude with the base QR. If SR is equal to 8.2 centimeter, PM is equal to 4.8 centimeter, and SN is equal to 6 centimeter, then find QR. Then find TS. Then find the value of PS. PS is equal to QR. So let us see what does question say. PQRS be a parallelogram. So here first we draw a parallelogram PQRS. So PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS. And the next, with the base with altitude PM, that is this is the altitude PM, and the base SR. Good. Now the next, SN is the altitude with the base QR. So this is the altitude SN with the base QR. Okay. And now the data has been given. So let's see what is given. SR, that is the base, is given is 8.2 centimeter. PM, that is the height, is 4.8 centimeter, and SN is 6 centimeter is given. So we have to find the value of PS, that is the QR. Okay. So here we know that area of parallelogram is equal to H into B. Okay, so base is given, that is 8.2 centimeter, and H is 4.8 centimeter. Therefore we multiply 4.2 and 8.2. Okay, so when we multiply, we get the answer, that is the result, 39.36 centimeter square. 39.36 is the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Okay, so this is the area of the parallelogram PQRS. In the next, if we consider QR as base, then SN becomes its altitude. So again here we write area is equal to B into H. So when we consider QR as base, then it becomes QR multiplied by height become SN. And here we already found the area as 39.6 centimeter. So it will be 39.36. Okay. So here we get 39.36 is equal to QR multiplied by SN. The value of SN is 6 centimeter. So here we write multiplied by 6. Now we get QR is equal to 39.36 divided over 6. Okay, so when we divide, we get the result. So divide 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36.65 is 30, and 6 6 is 36 centimeter. As I told you in the definition, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So when QR is equal to 6.56, then it is obvious that the value of PS is also 6.56 centimeter. Therefore, the value of PS is 6.56 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, 6.56 is the right answer. Okay, student. So I hope it is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then please comment. I will clear in my next video. We shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.